When I get that ass...
You need to shut your fucking mouth.
Here it comes.
The story opens inside Black Hills, a Russian maximum security prison where inmates are forced into brutal, no-rules underground fights run by crime boss Gaga. His reigning champion, Vladimir Zykov, dominates yet another opponent, reinforcing his reputation as unstoppable. Among the prisoners is Yuri Boyka, once the most feared fighter in the world, now crippled by a severe knee injury and reduced to cleaning floors. Despite years left on his sentence and a denied parole request, Boyka secretly trains, rebuilding his broken body with relentless discipline. When Gaga offers him comfort and privileges, Boyka refuses everything except one thing: a chance to fight again. Gaga dismisses him as finished, especially against Zykov. But during the next tournament, Boyka storms the ring.
You're not the real champion here.
And shocks everyone by demolishing Zykov in under a minute. His victory earns him entry into an international prison tournament where freedom is the ultimate prize. Boyka is transferred to Gorgon Prison in Georgia, where elite fighters from around the world are gathered. Among them are Turbo, a loud and aggressive American, and Raul Dolor, a Colombian champion secretly enhanced with performance drugs. The inmates endure brutal quarry labor by day and savage elimination fights by night, while crime lord Mr. Rizzo quietly rigs the tournament in Raul's favor. As the fights begin, contenders are eliminated violently.
This guy ain't bad, huh?
Boyka defeats the French fighter despite worsening pain in his injured knee.
Here's your
while Raul crushes his opponents with frightening ease. Losers are executed in secret, raising the stakes far beyond victory. Tension builds between Boyka and Turbo.
When I get that ass.
You need to shut your fucking mouth.
Here it comes.
Eventually turning into mutual respect as they realize the tournament is fixed and Raul is meant to win. They train together in secret, growing stronger despite starvation and punishment. When Turbo becomes a threat, Rizzo orders him beaten nearly to death. Learning that defeated fighters are executed, Turbo agrees to escape. During a quarry revolt, Boyka frees him, allowing Turbo to flee. But Boyka is knocked unconscious and recaptured. The final fight arrives. Gaga, now betting against Boyka, watches as Raul targets Boyka's damaged knee and nearly finishes him.
Without truth, I am the mind.
The rigged system collapses as the prison erupts in chaos. Boyka stands victorious once again, the undisputed king of prison fights, proving that no chains, injuries, or corruption can keep him down. His journey is far from over, and the world beyond prison walls awaits his return.
Good knee, bad knee, no knee.
Thanks for watching. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more of these recaps. Until next time, have a nice day.